What's going on, guys? Me and a few buddies are here at our local range, our local self-made range. This is usually where we come to shoot. To over there. You got everywhere from 1 yard to as far as you want it. But we're just here brushing up on our skills, getting little brother into it. Alex, Octavio.
What can't you say, Bull?
Yeah. With his adorably tight pants. You don't give your wife her pants back.
Who's that gun YouTuber that always wears tight pants?
Which one?
Oh, that fucking T-Rex owners.
Alex. Is that one of mine? No way. Did it fall out?
Yep.
I just did those. Well,
It's got 5 arrows now.
let's try again. I remember shooting today. Oh yeah, you need to glue it on. Oh. Got Alex here showing me how it's done. Bits and cheeseburger. Oh, hold on. There she is. All right, talk us through your process.
So first thing you do, put your fletching, set it to the little line. Supposedly, you set it to the third, and then before you put glue on it, you pretend like you're gonna put it on.
Test fit.
Yeah, whatever that is. Okay, so it looks like I gotta go a little down. Boom. A few dots. Whoop. Set it down. Put a little bit too much glue. About like 10 seconds. Then you, bam.
And then how long do you let it dry? About 2 to 3 business days?
I think it's set.
Ready to sling it right now?
Ready to sling right now.
You need a Q-tip?
Yeah, I need to clean my work a little bit.
The old Q-tip jar. Got the Hoyt and Matthews.
Yeah.
BDC Challenge 3.
Alright.
Oh, do the test. Do the
No. Hell yeah.
Got Octavio teaching the boy. Teaching the kid on the bear. Clean shots, Drew. No nerves. I'm not even here right now.
A little bit more front juice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's fucking wind. It was level though.
No pressure. All of 3 people on YouTube is gonna watch this.
cut yourself short, Juice. It's like 20.
18 of those are me and my fake accounts. Fuck.
Don't worry about it too much. It's the love.
Pin or sighted in. Like not even at the shoe. Alright, let's make that. It's not me. Unless I make it, then that was all me.
Excuses.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Money. It was the win.
Win, yep.
Might have already fucked up your camera, but
Checks out. Why? What'd you do?
turn this one.
Oh, it's because I aimed with the 20. Alright, now check it out. It's got follow through. Oh, I left. Maybe you can get the 19 tape back.
So if your pin isn't set for 30, is it high or is it low?
I think the pin.
Oh no,
Yes.
yours is a dial. I forget.
Oh yeah.
So is it your tape?
It could be a number amount of things. I think to start off with, it's gonna be the pin.
Slider problems.
Well, not necessarily. I could take the tape off and it'll be like a fixed site, essentially. Oh, nice. Alright, what if I move left? You know what you do? I'm gonna go home and take a baby wipe to this fucking thing. It's so dirty. I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay. We're gonna delete that.
No.
We're deleting that right now.
Alright, shot.
All right, chat.
No, it's good. Shit, I got you.
Should I tell them don't buy it from me anymore? I found one.
Where'd those come from?
Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
Your arrows ain't shit. Is that other arrow still dry?
No, it's in there.
Oh man, I thought I just gained an arrow.
No.
Can't have shit.
That's not shooting.
Again, it's that minimal joy. Look at that, cinematic.
Oh, fancy. It's like watching a baby take its first steps.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got Alex over here.
All right, somebody dry fire.
Let's go. I gotta get more juice.
The brothers shoot together?
For Bulat.
We're toothless.
For two.
Hold on, bro.
Did you just say palabra?
Let me take my. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
I think mine made it first, dude. Yeah.
Straight to jail.
You pulled.
What is this guy doing? Nice. See, before we got smart and we just started shooting here, we would shoot up against these rocks. And boy, did we miss and lose a lot of arrows.
I think that's just shooting fucking perfect right now. Yes, sir.
Show us the form, Drew.
You gotta like bench press it first.
Bench press? You mean lat pull? Or I don't think that's a bench
It's like
press.
You have to bench press your left arm like this. So you have it close to your body, and then. Oh.
All right, yeah.
There you go.
Damn.
Beautiful ass form. Huh? Do that shit right.